How to add a Snapchat best friend Bitmoji together. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add Snapchat best friend Bitmoji together. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Now sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now simply swipe from top to the bottom and you will come across this section where you can select edit avatar and edit and customize your current and recent avatar. Once customized, tap the save button at top right corner of the screen. Once your avatar will be saved, exit from this section and scroll down. Now tap on add friends or my friends. And you can easily choose your best friend. If you don't have any of your best friend, simply select a random user. Now as you can see that you have successfully added the best friend Bitmoji together. Now you can tap try on or you can share the post as well. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.